Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Ahmad Syafuddin. For this first project, my title is Mediscan AI, Automated Medical Record Analyzer for AWS Edition. Alright, we go to the problem statement. My problem statement for this project is the medical professional spent excessive time manually reviewing unstructured patient notes and all the PDF reports to extract the key data like medication history and the diagnosis, leading to the burnout and the potential human error. So, what is the purpose of this project? So, the purpose of this project is to design a fully automated serverless cloud that architecture instantly translate the medical document from English into a target language. For example, Spanish. The system ensures that the critical healthcare information is accessible to all patients immediately, securely, and cost effectively. So this is the architecture design. So the data flow explanation, ingestion. A doctor upload a text based on the medical report to a secure Amazon S3 bucket. After that, in the trigger, the uploaded event is detected immediately, which trigger the AWS Lambda function. For the processing unit, the Lambda function read the file content and send the text to the Amazon Translate. And lastly, for the AI analysis, Amazon Translate utilize deep learning model to convert the text from English to the target language, such as Spanish, with the high accuracy. For the storage, the Lambda function receives the translation and save both the original and the translated one into the Amazon DynamoDB for the future retrieval by the patient portal. Right, this is the storage security configuration. Uh, it is to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of the sensitive patient record. The S3 bucket medical record was configured with strict security control. We explicitly enable block all the public access at the bucket level to prevent any accidental exposure of medical files to the public. Other than that, it is to comply with the healthcare data standard. We implement the server-side encryption with the AWS KMS rather than standard encryption. So this configuration not only encrypt the data at rest, but it also can provide a robust audit trail via AWS cloud washing, allowing the administrator to track exactly when and by who the encryption keys were accessed. Next is database scaling strategy. For the Amazon DynamoDB, the database layer was designed to handle the unpredictable nature of the hospital workload where the patient intake can spike suddenly during the emergency situation. So we configure that the Mediscan patient data table are used on demand capacity mode. Unlike the provision mode, which require a manual capacity planning, on demand mode automatically scale read and also scale the write throughput up or down instantly in response to traffic. This to ensure the system can remain responsive during high load period without crashing, while scaling down to zero cost during quiet hours. Next, for the compute and access control, which is for AWS Lambda and IAM. The security for the compute layer is enforced using the principle of least privilege. The AWS Lambda function is not hard-coded with the credential. Instead, it is configured to assume the IAM role during the execution. So this role is to attach with a strictly scope policy that grants permission only to read object from the specific S3 that we enter and write the item to the target DynamoDB table. So it explicitly lacks administrative permission, such as the ability to delete bucket or access unrelated services like EC2. So this limit are the blast radius of the application. So it is to ensure that even if the function code were compromised, an attacker could not damage the underlying infrastructure. Next, for the system integration and automation. The architecture relies on a event-driven integration model to automate the workflow without human intervention. From this, we configure the S3 event notification to trigger the Lambda function asynchronously whenever a new object is created, such as event type. This setup decouples the upload process from the processing logic, meaning the medical staff does not need to wait for the translation to complete before uploading the next file. So this system can be automatically queued and process events in the background, ensuring high availability and seamless data flow from the ingestion to the storage. So this is the AI integration that I use. So the AI I use is real-time translation. So the Lambda receives the file location from the event, and then the Lambda retrieves the text content. After that, the Lambda calls the POTO3.client, which is the translated for the API, and the API returns the JSON response containing the translated string. So for the conclusion for this project is the Medipoly IoT project successfully demonstrates how the modern cloud architecture can solve critical healthcare challenges by automating the translation of medical records. By leveraging an event-driven serverless architecture, the system eliminates the manual bottleneck associated with the traditional translation services, ensure that non-active speaking patients receive timely and accurate care instructions. So the integration of Amazon Translate provides an immediate, scalable, and cost-effective solution that enhance patient safety without requiring significant upfront investment in infrastructure or personnel. That's all for me. Thank you.